It's June of 2025, and I'm in Midland, Texas, where I once lived in this house right here behind me. It's a stone house, and around 1960 is when I lived there. That was 65 years ago. And my next door neighbor lived in this house, and we had a little bit of a fence between us. And it turns out that my neighbor, they had a son my age. I was 15, 16 years old at the time. And we had a fence between us. And on a beautiful starry night, the sky lit up as we were talking across that fence. It became daytime all of a sudden, and right here in this field between the two houses was a flying saucer sitting on the ground. It looked like what you heard described as a flying saucer. It looked like two pie plates, one on top of the other. It was angled at the ends, and it was pure white, sitting on the ground right there between this house and our house. And it was pure white. You could not see any features on it. It made no noise, but it just turned on like a light bulb. We're watching this ship sitting there, and after a few seconds it rose into the air at a 45-degree angle and sat there again. No noise, pure white, and just sitting there in the sky for about 20 or 30 seconds. And then it shot up like a bullet to the high sky, and at one point it looked like one of the stars in the sky. Then, after a few seconds of sitting still, it took off to the west and went over the horizon in 6 or 8 seconds, from straight up to over the horizon. I've always wanted to tell that story, and today, passing through Midland, I just had to stop and record this. Doesn't look like anybody's at the Smith home. If I didn't say it at the beginning, my name is Don Smith, and I joke that it's the name that witness protection told me to use. But it doesn't look like anybody's there. I won't find Boy anymore. He was the Smith that I was friends with. We were both the same age. Don't think I'll find Boy around here 65 years later. But that's the story. It is June 2025 from Midland, Texas. I've always wanted to tell it.